Oh, hey, you're early. I'm great. How are you? No one's responding. We are making white wine garlic butter bucatini because I love pasta. My birthday's September 11th. I am a Virgo. My favorite color is pink, but I also love like beige, off-white, cream, just neutrals I think. But if you have to say like a real color, then like a dusty pink. I would describe my style as like polished and very chic, very like clean, if that makes sense. Like nice silhouettes, very structured, but definitely polished. I started social media when I was 12 years old. I was living in the Dominican Republic and I was like bored, so I just started posting my DIYs on YouTube and it just kind of grew from there. I would tell my 12-year-old self to keep posting on YouTube and don't stop social media. My dream travel destination is going to the south of France. Don't mind my dog Luna, she's like barking. But it's definitely the south of France, like in the countryside. And yeah. Okay, now we're just gonna mix this up. I don't want this to burn, so we're gonna put it a little lower. A quote that I like that inspires me, I remember seeing it, I don't know where it was, but it was like, if you woke up tomorrow and only had what you gave thanks for the day before, what would you have? And I was like, okay, like I really love that quote. So basically just be grateful, give thanks, and be grateful for what you have. Okay, we're gonna do some white wine. If I could have any superpower, I feel like speed. I don't know, I feel like I'd just be so much more productive and I'd get everything done. So I'm gonna say speed. I don't know if this is considered a skill, but if I could have the ability to like learn languages really quickly so I can learn as many languages as possible, I think that's so cool. So my skill, being able to learn languages very easily. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna add some heavy cream to the sauce. I haven't opened one of these cartons since like middle school. With like the chocolate milks. Okay, where was I? We're gonna do half a cup of the heavy cream. That was nice, you guys saw that? If I could play any instrument, it would definitely be piano. I love it, I think it's so amazing. I did know how to play the guitar and I went to like this like school, but it was like all elders and I was like 8 years old. And I was like, I do not want to learn how to play the guitar here. So I stopped and I had a pink guitar and I don't have it anymore. I think I need to pick that back up or just learn piano, but that might be a little hard. Okay, now that we have this boiling, we can go ahead and mix it. I would describe my signature scent. I don't have like a certain scent. I love different, perfumes. But I would say like bold, because I like it to make an impact. Like someone smells me and they're like, oh wow, like what are you wearing? Bold, feminine, and elegant. My childhood hobbies growing up were dancing. I did ballet, I did hip hop, and also I would make hair bows and sell them at school to all the girls. This was when I lived in Dominican Republic, so that's how I knew I was gonna be an entrepreneur. So yeah, I was making bows and sewing stuff, and DIYs of course. My favorite childhood memory was when I was doing hip hop. We would go every Saturday to our hip hop class, and then after I would go next door with my mom and we'd get like freshly squeezed orange juice. Some cheese. We're not being shy with it. And yes, I am in college. I go to the Fashion Institute of Technology in New York City. I'm currently online. But I'm in my last year and I am an advertising, marketing, communications manager. I love it. I love marketing. It's fun. Lessons I've learned in my 22 years. Definitely that friends come and go, but like, don't take it personal, it's life. Be the energy you want to attract, and do all things with love and good intentions. Okay, we're just gonna stir this. Okay, we're gonna add a few red pepper flakes. Not too much, because I don't do well with like too spicy, but it's not that bad. Something I want to be remembered for is being kind. I feel like just be kind to everyone. You don't know what they're going through. And yeah, so definitely my kindness. It's looking so good. I'm so excited. Let's just top it off with some Italian parsley. Now we're just gonna tear it up and top off the pasta. I'm so proud of myself. This looks so amazing. Beautiful. It's time to eat. Let's serve ourselves. Something I want to achieve next year. Definitely being invited to Paris Fashion Week. That would be a dream. And we can't have pasta without wine, so today we're doing some white wine. I would say to stay tuned for more videos, cooking with Kiara specifically. We're gonna have some fun recipes, we're gonna cook, and even have some special guests on the show. So I've been wanting to film this series for the longest, and I thought what better way to start than on my birthday. Let's go eat. Thank you guys so much for watching.